Welcome guys to Expa, my subscribers, fans, and I'm so sorry for the long time no post, but I am back for you all. So guys, this tutorial I put together is for the love I have for all hairstylists who are subscribed to my channel. Guys, one advice: this compilation are from different people, hairstylist, non-hairstylist, but the truth is you would surely learn one or two from each of them. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on notification bell for next time. So guys, stay tuned, enjoy the video, and watch to the end.
Here's how to cut a short wolf cut. Split the front and back, then split the back into 4 equal sections. Start in the back, take a subsection at the bottom and cut to the desired length. Then hold the section vertically and pull straight out from the head. Cut a line that leaves length to the top. Work your way up the section, following your guide from the bottom. When you reach the top section, keep your elevation straight to maintain weight in the top. Move on to the back corner. Take a small guide from the previous section and cut from bottom to top. We're removing weight from the bottom of the section, which gives the ends a more textured finish and prevents it from looking like a bob. Blend the sides in by pulling them towards the back and follow your guide. Then cut to the desired length. Make sure there's some face framing in the front, and this can be as long or as short as you want it. I'm blow drying with a volume mousse to prevent it from drying flat. It should look something like this. Add in texture as needed by holding sections of hair and slicing. This creates a cool, airy finish, and it's that simple. This haircut is a cute short shape that's customizable for any face shape. Remember to remove weight at the bottom to prevent it from becoming a bob, and slice into the ends to create that airy texture. And let me know what other haircuts you want to learn. Thanks. Here's how to cut a wolf cut. This cut creates curtain bangs and lots of textured layers on straight and wavy hair. After dividing the head into quadrants, begin with a diagonal section behind the hairline. Create a curtain bang that starts by the lip line and over-direct the remaining hair to that guide, cutting an almost horizontal line to the ends. When combed out, this will create a curtain bang that blends into the face framing. All the following sections are connected to that front guide. As you finish each section, point cut into the ends to shatter the cutting line. Remember to lift the hair up as you cut to encourage soft layers. I'm maintaining a low elevation while I cut, but we're still lifting each section so that as we cut the hair, we're creating graduation in our shape. Repeat on the other side and check for balance, and it should look something like this. Now to cut the back, we'll separate the bottom from the top. Start by cutting the length, and then add round layers starting from the top and working to the bottom. Over-direct your front sections to the back corners and connect your layers, and then connect any excess lengths at the bottom. Before blow drying, I'm adding in some of my Canva Platinum blow dry spray for heat protection. And here's what the hair looks like when it's dry. I left one side straight and one side wavy here, and now I've blow dried all the hair. Now to create that wolf cut texture, hold sections of the hair out and slice from the center of the strand to the ends. This will help remove weight on thicker hair types. Then point cut to remove any visibly blunt lines and slice at the top to encourage even more flowy layers. The result is a wolf cut with curtain bangs that can be worn wavy or straight. Try styling with texture spray or serum, and let me know what else you want to learn.
Hope you learned something from this clips I put together. I think I noticed one common thing from this hairstyle. It's done only on wet hair, and then later you blow dry with a volume mousse. Okay guys, let the comment section be interactive, as I would see you on my next video. Hit the subscribe button, share and like. Bye.